Hey, it's Stephanie over here at Social Sparrow, and I'm making this really quick video just to kind of show you what I've learned about the ad blocker easy list issue with Facebook's Pixel. So I happen to be a marketer that does have ad blocker installed. I know, it's kind of crazy, but for several reasons I have it installed and I really like it. And so whenever I was going to my clients' accounts and working on several different campaigns that I have, I started to notice that Pixel Helper was showing that the actual pixel was not loading. So my first thought process was, oh my gosh, what's wrong with Pixel Helper? Something's got to be wrong with it. So I uninstalled it and reinstalled it like 3 times. Then I thought, okay, maybe Facebook changed or updated their pixel code. And so maybe I wasn't in on the loop yet and hadn't heard anything, and maybe it was something that was wrong with Facebook. So I'm in some amazing groups. Shout out to Kat Howell's Facebook Ad Hacks group, fantastic group. Anyway, so in there someone posted about it and was kind of asking the same thing, and something came up, and it turns out it is AdBlock Plus that is the actual issue here. So I want to show you where it is exactly, just in case you're not in the know, so that you can know what's going on. So this is AdBlocker Plus, and it's possible that the people you're serving ads to might have this installed. Probably, most likely, not a lot of them have it installed, but if you serve kind of a techie industry and you're serving ads to people who are very techie, it may be that they have this installed. So if I go over here to options, it's going to open up a new tab, and this is the culprit right here, easy list. This is where the update happened that actually made it to where Facebook's Pixel won't load on web pages whenever you pull it up. So here I am on the ClickFunnels website, and you can see they have a Pixel installed, but whenever I pull it down, it shows that there was an error on the Pixel code and that it did not load. So Facebook, ClickFunnels definitely will retarget me because I'm already in all their stuff. But if this had been a first-time experience, then AdBlocker would have successfully prevented ClickFunnels from being able to retarget me later. So kind of cool and kind of bad. So now that that is in there, what does it mean for us as Facebook marketers? What does that? What kind of ramifications does it have? Well, it could have quite a few different ramifications, but again, it depends on your audience and the people you're serving ads to. I imagine it's kind of a small percentage of people who actually use AdBlock. I could be mistaken, but I feel like you'd have to be in kind of tech areas for this to be something to become a real problem, to start seeing it affecting your campaigns. I personally did not see any huge effects on my campaigns. No huge dips in retargeting campaigns. Not a big deal. The only thing we did notice a difference in is in our campaigns where we are using exclusions. So for those of you who may not know what an exclusion is, it's simply you are excluding people who have already purchased a product or service that you might be marketing to them. So say I show you an ad and I'm saying, hey, I want you to get this freebie, and you get the freebie and you download it. I don't want to show you that ad again, otherwise I'm wasting my ad spend, right? And you don't want to see it again because you've already got it, and it just makes me look like an incapable marketer, right? So hopefully all marketers are using exclusions, but typically marketers are using a pixel exclusion where they create a custom audience based off of pixel traffic on a thank you page so that it updates dynamically. But the reality is this could be not a great idea right now. So what I'm doing, and actually it's kind of a practice I already had, so it's a good thing now, and maybe you should have this practice too. I just have the URL custom audience that we're using here to exclude people from the audience, but also too I have my client's customer list uploaded. So this way my customer will not my customers' ads will not be showing to people who are inside of the customer list. So for all of you Facebook marketers out there, I would encourage you to get in touch with your clients if you don't already have kind of a system in place to get an updated list of people who have opted in, or if you don't have direct access to download that list, I would go ahead and work on that. And just until this is resolved, start uploading a custom list every day or once a week or once a month, depending on how important this would be for your retargeting campaign or for your ad spend dollars. Whenever you're spending a ton ton of money on Facebook ads, and you've got more of a national campaign, say you're spending $5,000 or $10,000 or more a month, this could really affect your ROI, and it could affect your ad spend and waste money. So I would definitely recommend going ahead and diving in. Go ahead and make the effort, make sure that you're uploading a current customer list, and working out a system with your client to get that current customer list every week or every day or every month, whatever works best for you, so that you are not serving ads to people who don't need to be seeing those ads and inevitably wasting some ad spend. All right, so I hope this helps. There might be some more ramifications. I mean, we know there's other ramifications, but I'm not going to address them at all because from what I'm seeing so far, it hasn't really affected our campaigns too terribly. So this was my only real concern that I wanted to address with you today. So I hope this helps. If it did, then hopefully you will subscribe and comment below and let me know. See you soon.